written it.
Well, what I understand is when you first started, you were outside the law and very much into the area of tagging and
totally.
and putting your stuff on places that you wanted to put it, regardless of who owned it. You came up with the idea of the throw-up tags, and I know that we were lucky enough to get you to do a throw-up tag on Fort Worth Avenue. What was the idea behind that tag?
It just felt right to do, like, rather than a piece of street art, to do something that was kind of more graffiti orientated.
And so that kind of took you back to some of your earlier years.
Yeah.
I want you to talk to me about what you think our young artists should do in the Dallas community to get out of being outlaws and get into being income producers.
Yeah, I think, I don't know, I think, you know, the people that I know that are successful in street art, that have come from graffiti, none of them chased the money, none of them chased the fame. It was just their passion, and that's what they wanted to do. And I think by gearing these kids up to kind of, you know, you can earn money out of this, it's like, well, you can, but, you know, this is going to further your career, this is going to further your artistic talent. I think you should try to push them in that direction. But also the kids that are doing it now, there's going to be like two groups of them. There's going to be, like, you know, the artistic, talented ones, and then there's going to be the kids that just enjoy vandalism. And I think you'll have success with the artistic ones, but the kids that just enjoy tagging, it'll be harder.
What I want to know is, how can we reach to the taggers and get them to come in and get them to be serious artists, and is in lieu of just the tagging and the vandalism?
You've got to try to kind of form some kind of line of communication with them, and they're going to be wary of you.
Oh, sure.
So, you know, you're going to have to find some middlemen to talk to these guys. You know, get a paint sponsor, get them some walls, put an event on, and prove to them that you're not going to arrest them for writing their graffiti.